I want you to stop or skip this video if you are not interested in improving your lifestyle, or if you don't want to learn how to generate passive income on the internet. But if you are like millions of people around the world wondering if it is really possible to make money on the internet, then I have a very special gift for you. It's a free download. It's a book written by the legendary marketer about online marketing, and you can download this book by clicking the link directly below this video or on the bottom right corner of this video. And in that book, the author describes how you can start profitable online business from scratch without any previous experiences, and how to avoid all the costly mistakes that most beginners make in the beginning. My name is David Ryška, and a couple of years ago I was struggling, working a full-time job, trying to make ends meet, working as a massage therapist, and I realized that I need to make some serious changes in my life, because I was making barely enough money to cover my bills, but I've never had any money left to do the things that I love doing the most, which is traveling or going back to Europe, where I'm from, to visit my family and stay with them for a little while. So I started doing some research online, and I found a fantastic company that was teaching people how to learn new skills, how to become online marketers, how to advertise, and how to create passive income from anywhere in the world, as long as you have a laptop and internet connection. But I'm not gonna go into the details in this video. I want you to get the book and start reading, and I promise you it will change your perspective on what is possible when you leverage the internet. So thank you for watching this video all the way to the end, and don't forget to click the button below this video, enter your email, and I'm gonna email you that book right away so you can start learning what is really possible when you leverage the internet. This is David Ryška. I wish you all the best, success and freedom, and I hope to see you on the other side, my friend. Take care.